Hi everybody, today I wanted to do the video for the gumball machine that I made with the cupcake punch. Today I'm actually going to do it in Melon Mambo and a couple of other colors, so let's go ahead and get started. I just used scraps to make it. It's pretty simple. You just need your scraps of Melon Mambo, and for the bottom of the machine, all you want to do is insert this in and put it just to where those little scallops are, and cut right below that so you don't get any of those scallops. There's the bottom of the machine. The top of the machine is just, I put it in towards, that one's going to be too long. Here, it's this one. So I just need a tiny strip for the top of the machine, and then for the very top of the machine, the little bump, just we'll cut out the top of the cupcake, but we're just going to use this little circle part at the top. The only other punch that you need is the word window. I'm sorry, the small oval or the word window. I did one with the word window, it works also. And your 1 1/4 inch circle. That's the part where we're going to put the gumballs. And punch out a bunch of little gumballs. So these are just the sprinkles from the punch. I just punched a bunch of them, and we'll see how many we need. Depends on how full you want your gumball machine to be. So I've already put a little glue on here, so it makes picking up my gumballs easier. And then I'm just going to fill my machine with gumballs, however full I want it. And I did kind of place this on to see where I should start putting them. I'll start about there. And alternate the colors and work your way around. Okay, now I have my machine about as full as I want it to be. The next step is going to be to put the bottom of the machine on. And just use my snail and put it up about that far. And trim off the bottom. Then I'm going to put the brad, a little coin spot, whatever it's called. And the top of the machine, I just want that piece, so I'm going to snip this part off. Then I did one silver sprinkle for the very top of the machine. And that's the top. And if you wanted to just put it together like that, it would be done. The only thing that I added to it is I had some plastic packaging that who knows what came in it, but I saved it, and I am going to just use my 1 1/4 inch punch to punch out the little glass for the gumball machine. So to attach the glass, I'll have to put a little bit of sticky strip. I just took my roll and pull off a piece and trim that piece in half the long way. So you're just going to add your sticky strip right to the top of that. And then to get the positioning correct, I laid this on top. Put my gumball machine on there and stick it down. You're going to do the same thing to put the top on. When you stick it, it sticks pretty fast, so you have to kind of have it right where you want it. And then I'm just going to put dimensionals on the back. And this is where the cut dimensionals come in pretty handy, because for this top piece I just need a small section. Okay, and then stick your gumball machine down, and then put the top on. But that's just pretty simple. Quick way to put that gumball machine together. Again, when you go to place it on the card, I can put it in there again just to make sure the plastic is going to line up properly, and stick it, and then take your dimensionals off. You can place the gumball machine right over the gumballs. And there you go.